Hello, Prao. Hi,
Hello,
Prao.
teacher.
Good morning. How are you, Prao?
I am fine.
Okay, very good. So you are the first one, okay? Very good, Prao. Yay! Prao is the first one. And then we have Oi. Hello, Oi. Good morning, Oi. Hello, Papa. Good morning.
Good morning,
Good morning,
teacher.
Kala. Good morning. How are you today?
Yeah.
Tuesday.
How are you? Today, yes. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. And tomorrow will be is? Tomorrow is?
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Okay? Okay, so you have no class tomorrow. Okay, it's time for you to answer your worksheet tomorrow, right? You have to finish and you have to study. Okay, so we have here Papa, Oi, and Proud. Okay, so I think we can start. Are you ready for our science?
Yes.
Okay.
S-I-N.
Yes.
What's
You're ready for our science. So I prepared this one for you. Okay, you have to look at this one and you have to answer this one, okay? We will play for our science.
fine?
You have to answer this one. Just a minute. Okay, let us see wells, okay? Well of English clothes, okay? Well of English clothes. Let us play. Okay, let us check who is in there for. I will check first. Oh, hi, Marine. Good morning, Marine.
Good morning, teacher Lilibet.
Good morning. You look good now, Marine. Very good. And who is this?
Yes.
Oh, Baibawa. Hello, Baibawa. Good morning. And Jessie is
Teacher,
coming.
I don't sick already.
But you're very good, Marine. I'm happy for you, Marine. You're okay now?
Yes.
No fever, no flu, no. Yes?
Yes.
Yes, I'm happy. Very good. So you have to take care always, okay? All of you, you have to drink plenty of water. You have to choose to eat healthy foods, okay? You have to drink. Don't forget to drink your vitamins. Drink your milk, okay? Okay. So you have to avoid eating junk foods this time, okay? Because junk food
Okay,
is
okay.
not good for you. Okay? Okay, I'm happy for you, Marine. You are okay now, so
Science.
I am so happy. All of us happy, right? All of us is happy because Marine is okay now, right? We are all happy for you, Marine. Okay. So now let us read it, Gypsy. By Bawa.
What?
Teacher,
Let us start now.
teacher, excuse me.
We have a game here.
Excuse me.
Yes, Ka.
Teacher, drawing and write word on circle, yes?
Yeah, we have to. No, not yet. We will discuss this one first. And we have I give you the worksheet for this one in our line. I sent worksheet for this one.
Okay, okay.
Okay, we have worksheet for about this topic. I
Do
sent
it
it
on
already in
sheet.
our
Okay,
worksheet in our line. I sent it already yesterday. Ka. Okay, this one all of us will answer this one, okay? All of us will answer this one. All of you look at here and you have to read.
Right?
Right? Yeah, this one, Ka. Yes, this one. Yes, that one. This is the worksheet that we use for this topic. Okay, very good, Papa. You read it already. Okay, so You just have to print the worksheet, okay? Because we cannot, at this time, for you because we cannot see each other yet. So you just have to print the worksheet that I send you in our line, okay? You just have to print it. Okay, so now let's start. Okay, let us look at here. Everybody look at here. Starts now. Okay, what is this? What is this? We have choices here, okay? You need to practice reading. Look at there. Okay, what is this one? Look at the arrow. Look at the arrow. Have you seen the arrow? The arrow is pointing this one. What is this one? Is it the boots, coat, gloves, jumper, scarf, socks, or hat? Scarf. Yes, the answer here is scarf. Okay, very good. Oh, Papa answered already. Okay, now let's go to this one. Okay, let us pen again. Okay, what is this? What is this? This one is the boots? No. This one? Coat. Yes. Okay. You have to answer, okay? Look at here because so you can know how to answer your worksheet. Okay, look at here. And next is okay, what is this? Socks. So you are very good. So the answer here is socks. Socks. Okay. Now let's go to the next. And then let us see again. What is this? Jacket. Huh? Jacket. Is it no. Jumper? Yeah. Jumper. No. So we have this one. No. Gloves and jumper. Yes. Okay. Okay. Now let's go to the next question. Okay. Let us spin again. And what is this one? What is this? Is it the boots? Can you read this one? Read this one first. Tell me if it is the correct answer. Read this one first. Boots? Gloves. Okay, this one is the gloves. Okay, gloves. So help me read first this one. What is this? This one. Read. Boots. This one is? Coat. And this one is? Gloves. And this one is? Jumper. And this one is? Scarf. And this one is? Socks. And this one is? Hat. Okay, so the answer here is? What is the answer here? Gloves. So the answer here is gloves. Okay, very good. Now let's go to the next question. And let us spin again. How about this? What is this? Boots. Okay, so the answer here is? Boots. Boots. Okay, you are very good. Okay, let's go to the next. Okay, let's spin again. Okay, how about this one? Hat. Hat. Okay, where's the hat here? Is this the one? No. This one? No. This one? Where? This one? No. This one? No. Where? Hat. Okay, this one is the hat. Okay, very good. Now let's go. Okay, you're doing a very good job. So you answer everything. Well done. And congratulations. Now let's go to the next. Let's go to summer clothes. Okay, let us go now to summer clothes. Okay. Now let us spin. Can you read this one first? This one. Can you read this one first? Read this one. Read this one. Have you seen it? Have you seen my arrow? Can you read this one? Sandals. Sandals. Okay, and how about this one?
Swimsuit.
Yes, swimsuit. And how about this one?
T-shirt.
T-shirt. So very good. And how about this one? And this one? Everybody look at here and read shorts. Very good. And look at this one. What is this? Cap. Very good. And this one is?
Dress.
Dress. And this one is?
Flip-flop.
Flip-flops. Yes, very good. So you have to, let us print this one again. Tell me the correct picture, okay? Now let's start. Okay, cap. Where is the caps here? This one?
No.
No. This one?
No.
No. And how about this one? Oh, where? This one? This one? Oh, okay.
Cap.
This one, yeah. This is the cap. Very good. Yes. Okay, now let's go to the next round. Okay, let's do this one again. Okay, how about this one? Dress. Dress. Okay, where is the dress here? Can you tell me? This one?
No.
This one? And how about this? No. This one? Okay, this one? Yes.
Dress.
Dress. Okay, next. Okay, very good. Now let's go to the next round. Okay, this one. Flip that. Where is the flip that? Where? This one?
No.
Oh, where is the person? This one? Oh no, how about this one?
Flip-flops.
Yes, this one. This one is the pickaxe. Okay? Okay. Now let's go to this one. Okay, look at here. Let us pen again. Okay, sandals. Where's the sandals here? This one? This one? This one? Where's the sandal? This one?
Sandals.
Okay, this is the sandals. Okay, now very good. Now let's go to this one. Okay, what about this one? Can you read this one?
Swimsuit.
Okay, swimsuit. Where's the swimsuit here? This one?
No.
No. How about this one?
No.
How about this? Yes.
Swimsuit.
Yes. Swimsuit. Okay, very good. And how about this one? Okay. Can you read it? Can you read it? This one? T-shirts. Okay, where is the t-shirt here? Is this one?
No.
Where is it? This one?
No.
And this one?
No.
Where? This one? This one? Okay, yes.
T-shirt.
That t-shirt. Okay. You are very good already. Now let's go to the next. Okay, let us spin again. Okay, how about this one? Can you read it? Shorts. Okay, very good. Shorts. Okay, where is the short? Here?
No.
Okay, no. How about this one?
No.
How about this?
No.
And how about this one? Yes.
Shorts.
Okay. Okay, so you know the different the clothes for summer and winter, right? You know already the clothes for summer and winter. So you are very good already, and you are very good in reading. Okay, you can identify the clothes now. And I think you can answer your worksheet. Okay? You don't know how to answer your worksheet? You have your worksheet with you now, all of you?
Not yet.
All of you? I sent the worksheet in our line group, okay? Can you know if Papa already print the worksheet? Papa already print the worksheet, okay, for this topic. You can print it. If you cannot print it, if you cannot go out yet, you can just draw it. You can just draw that picture and you have to answer. Okay? If any of you cannot print, because if you cannot go out yet, because I don't know your situation.
Excuse me, teacher. Excuse me.
Yes,
someone know kids can write in paper.
Right? Yes, if they cannot print, because not all of you can print or can go out, you can just draw it. I send the picture in your, I send the worksheet in your line. Just draw it.
Okay.
I have a picture in your. I have a worksheet in your line.
Yeah, someone no printer.
Yeah, no printer. You cannot go out yet. This time we cannot go. That's why I ask you to just draw. You just have to draw. I send it.
เด็กบางคนน่ะไม่มีเด็กบางคนไม่มีเครื่องปริ้นถูกไหมคะทีนี้ทิเชอร์ส่งชีทลงไปในกรุ๊ปแล้วหนูเปิดขึ้นมาลูกแล้วหนูก็เขียนตามที่ทิเชอร์ให้ไว้ค่ะลูกแล้วก็วาดรูปพระอาทิตย์เมฆแล้วก็ลอกชีทขึ้นมาลูกเขียนในเปเปอร์ก็ได้ค่ะแล้วส่งมาในห้องค่ะลูกเพราะว่าบางคนมีเครื่องปริ้น
Just draw it. I send it in your line. Draw it and then draw it in your notebook and then post it in our post it in our line group, okay? Okay, if you cannot print, just draw it and then post it in your line group. It is very easy to draw. The worksheet, this worksheet is very easy to draw. Okay, so I want to say thank you, and tomorrow is our we don't have class tomorrow, so we will see you again on Thursday. So you can answer your worksheet and send it in our line group. Okay, K3. Send it. I sent it already, and you can do it. Okay, K3, you can draw it. I know you can do it. Okay, if you cannot print, you draw it. So I want to say thank you for now. Thank you so much, K3, and you always have to take care of yourself. What class? No, tomorrow. No, we don't have class tomorrow, okay? So we will see you again on Thursday. I'll see you again on Thursday, okay? You can do your worksheet tomorrow and you can study, okay? We have a worksheet that you're going to answer in this topic. I sent it already in our line. Okay, so thank you so much. And say your hard time now. Okay, hard time. Okay, all of you, I want to see your hard time. And you have to take care, okay?
Say you head to you.
I love you, Kitty. Bye. Wait, so cute. The baby object is so cute. I love you. I love you.
Get well soon. Milin, get well soon, ja. Oh, get here.
Okay, bye-bye.
Oh, the king one จังเลยตูดกระทิงเบลอเลยเห็นไหมนะดูดิดูยิปซีเลี้ยงน้องกันนะ